Hey friends, welcome to my channel, Thomas Tropics. My name is Thomas. There are my tropics. Today I want to work out with you a question: how I'm growing my tropical fruit trees or seedlings, plants, however you want to call it, in pots. And yeah, I think the first question we should ask us before we start to sprout even a seed is, where comes the fruit from? So is it from Brazil? Is it from Southeast Asia? Is it from the Cerrado region in Brazil? Or from the Pantanal? Is it from Middle America? Comes it from the Caribbean? Because why we should ask us this question, it's because of the soil. I think the most important thing when we are growing tropical fruit trees is the soil, because it's like a house. If the foundation isn't good, the house isn't stable. So for me I think when the soil isn't good, the plant won't grow. And why to grow plants in pots? So like me, I'm a collector, I'm in Europe, I can only grow the tropical fruit trees in pots. Or if you are in the tropical climate, you can sprout them in pots, let them grow for a while in pots, and then plant them into the location wherever you want to plant them. So yeah, I think it's very important to know how to grow them, and how I said, to look from where they are, which soil conditions are there. Is it more clay soil? Is it more sandy soil? Is it more acid soil? Does the soil have some special nutrients in it, like aluminium or something like that? And yeah, I want to show you how I'm sprouting my seeds and which pots I'm using and why I'm using these pots. This is one of my growing boxes. As you can see, I have acclimated my seedlings to the normal air, and I will wait 2 weeks more until I will transplant them into pots. But as you can see, I opened the box too quick, so I have some burned leaf. That can happen when you are acclimating your seedlings, when you are sprouting them in my way and you're opening the box too fast. So yeah, some seeds: Poteria torta, red select, some Garcinia humilis, the Achachairus, a very rare Inga, and some rare Eugenias, El Choco, yeah, Burkhardiana, Langsdorfi. Yeah, but that's the way how I am germinating my seeds in sphagnum moss. Why in sphagnum moss? Because the moss has no nutrients in it, so the plant are focusing to grow roots and not to grow leaves or foliage. And for me, it's more important to have a strong root system before I plant the plants into pots. So because when I'm planting them into pots, when they have strong roots, they will grow stronger. So I will show you now the pots I'm using. I'm using these 3 types of pots for the first 2 or 3 years, because the first one, as you can see, they are all deeper pots, and I'm using them because usually when plants are sprouting or growing, they are sending down a taproot to reach, in the nature, to reach the water level or more humid soil, and I won't give them the chance. They can do that. Of course, they can't make a 1 meter long taproot or 50 centimeter long, but my experience is it's better to give them the chance to make a taproot than you are growing them like they're my adenium collection in these small pots. I hope you liked the video. I hope I could help you or answer some questions. If you have questions, please write them into the comment section. I will answer every question. And yeah, as usual, let me a thumb up, subscribe to my channel so we are growing and we hit the 200s. And yeah, we will see us the next time, and bye friends.